Welcome to Controls Explorer. In this video, we will show you how to create animation, visible or invisible events driven in the PLC. Say for example, you have a text written in red color, eStop activated, and we do not want to display this text until and unless there is a real eStop activated. So, how to make it visible in the events driven? So, let's launch the project. What we have, Allen Bradley HMI Panel View Plus Factory Dock View Studio. Here we would like to make eStop activated animated. So select it, right click, next animation and select visibility. You have visibility window right here. Before you select any tag for it, just decide what happens if the tag is true. Do you want that to be visible or invisible? Select that first. Next, hit the tags button. We are now coming to the tags window where it is linked with the PLC right over here. And if you do not find your tag, do not forget to refresh all folders. So select the appropriate tag which should be responsible for the animation. We are currently refreshing all the folders, so all the tags would reappear very shortly. Alright, here it is. Select offline, select the appropriate tag, which is eStop alarm, and assign it right over here. Apply, close. Now it eStop activated became animated driven by the tag we selected. If you want to delete this, just delete right over here. Repeat the process for anything you want that to be animated. Select the item, right click, animation, you select visible, invisible, and assign the tag. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact us. Tech support at controls-explorer.com, and we would be more than happy to work with you. Once again, thank you so much, and bye now.